A harrowing video shows two men and their dog trapped inside their home as the Pacific Palisades wildfire raged around them. Flames, driven by 100 miles per hour winds, engulfed the area, leaving the trio uncertain about their escape. Fortunately, they managed to evacuate safely.
Hi. You'll be okay? You're gonna be okay? Hi? You're gonna be okay? Oh shit. Don't worry about that, dude. Look at that. Oh shit.
The fire, which began Tuesday, rapidly consumed over 3,000 acres, forcing evacuation orders for 30,000 residents. Traffic gridlock and abandoned vehicles have hampered emergency responses. California Governor Gavin Newsom has declared a state of emergency as the fire continues to devastate homes and infrastructure, leaving nearly 300,000 without power. The incident underscores ongoing debates over California's wildfire prevention policies, including forest management and resource allocation. Environmental factors and governance failures remain central to discussions on mitigating future wildfire disasters.